represents socket.
Now we are going to discuss about socket. The socket is, it looks like this. We have 3 wires connected.
Now we are discussing about client server model. We have a client connected with a server.
Now we move on to discuss TCP client server model. Under server we have sockets, bind, listen and accept. And under client side we have another socket, then connect, then write. After that we have read, then close. This is all we have in TCP model, and working of sockets can well be judged from here.